Welcome to Josna's channel, and this is what I want to say. So let's start coloring our hair. So um, first thing we want to do is change the clothes, get into the clothes which can be easily stained or can be thrown or can be reused, or maybe you need a cape. Anything would be good. The first thing we do is comb our hair with a big comb, and we should see that there are no tangles. Hair is not black, it is dark shade of brown. I'm not going to cover all my hair because my hair is black, and only I'm going to show you how to do the touch up here. But the same is applied all over the hair if you want complete coverage. Now I'm going to clean this area by moistening with warm water so that any makeup residue or moisturizer residue is there, it is clean, and then it is easy for the hair to absorb the color you are applying. I washed it. Now I'm going to just pat it dry with the tissue. Sometimes you always find the back hairline where there are few gray strands or so-called white strands. You can also wipe them with the same tissue so that if there is any oil content or moisturizer or makeup, it is cleaned and it's ready to take in the hair color. Remember, all people have different texture of hair. Their absorption capacity is different. Each color again has different capacity to leave the stain on the hair, and the number of days it's going to last. So I usually take head bath once in a week so that the hair color lasts longer, almost 1 month. I use L'Oreal 323 for my coloring hair, and this is a dark brown shade, and I leave it for 45 minutes and it gives me perfect color. Always do a patch test either behind your ears or on your thigh before you start a new hair color, or if you are a new person who's coloring the hair the first time. The box has the conditioner, the hair color, and the developer. So we only need these two things right now in equal quantities. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of the hair color and 1 teaspoon of the developer and mix it well and start applying. Before that, we missed something. We have to apply moisturizer here, not leaving the stains on the skin. The box has a pair of gloves. Don't forget to wear them, otherwise your nails go dark. I have taken 1 teaspoonful of the hair colorant. Shake the bottle. 1 teaspoon of developer, and I'm going to mix it well. Here we are not going to use any brush. People use toothbrush or they use the regular coloring brush, but I feel that it spoils the hair follicles. It makes the scalp dry, and it also smudges the leaves color patches on your skin, on the scalp. So after completing 50 minutes, look at my hair color, and it is not smudged on my skin, and I'm ready for a wash. Now look at my hair color and look at the hair trimmings. They are all black and there's no smudge on my skin. So that's how I do it. I'm going to just leave it to dry, and then when they are half dry, I'm going to comb my hair. Because it was combed before, it's not going to make too many tangles. So it's easy to comb, it's easy to manage, and I'm all set with my hair color for another 3 to 4 weeks. And just don't take head bath too often with harsh shampoos. Use color protecting shampoo and conditioner, and it should be a good quality. Maybe you might spend little more, but it is always good to spend little more and fetch the benefits. So if you have any doubts, leave them in the comments, and I will come back with your answers.